Hey everyone, as you know, I'm one of the early adapters of DF54. I love my grinder. I use it pretty much 3 to 5 times a day. I did little upgrades to it. I got this zero indicator. As you all know, this version 1 came with 2 little plastic declumpers down here. Eventually they deform and they become out of shape, so it's causing clogging and things like that. Today in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to remove the old declumpers and put this metal declumper. Let me just show you how thin this declumper is. It's simply as thin as the plastic ones in there. However, it's a lot more sturdier. Look at this thing. I mean, probably less than, I want to say 0.1 millimeter or something crazy like that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this apart, remove the 2 plastic declumpers and place this metal one. And I'm going to also clean it. I haven't cleaned it for a while. For this little exercise, I got 2 little brushes like this. I have a small screwdriver. Of course, our trusty Allen key comes with the Turin grinder. A couple of brushes, just in case if I drop a screw in there or something. I brought my needle nose pliers as well. First thing first, I'm gonna put a microfiber towel underneath. I'm gonna remove the bellows and the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the zero indicator. And don't lose this little screw. At first, let's remove the top part. You simply pull it out and slide out the zero indicator. I'm gonna set them all up here. I'm gonna gently remove the top part, the dial. It's a good idea to have a portable vacuum cleaner on the side as well. Mine is right over there. Okay, let's remove this. Again, this machine is cleaned daily. My machine is fairly clean, but since I opened it, I'm just gonna remove some of the coffee grounds. All right. All right, see if I can remove some of the coffees in here. Let me grab my vacuum. These straw brushes are very, very useful. I highly recommend it. I'm going to remove these 2 little screws over here with my Allen key. This time I'm going to use the long side of the Allen key. Have to be patient with this. Do not lose any of these screws. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove this little dosing cup holder. I just want to be able to easily access to this area. Now we're going to remove this little screw here so we can access to the chute. This is a little bit of a funky little spot right here, so you might want a little bit of a wiggle it. Mine is removed so many times so it comes out really easy. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these 2 screws gently and try to leave the screws in there. Everything on this is finger tightened. Remove the screws one at a time. Do not remove one completely and then the other one. Remove them one at a time. And again, no rush in this business, okay, you guys? Do not rush. Now, slowly lift it up. Okay, as you see, screws come out with this. I mean, just in case, you know, you don't want to drop these screws in the machine. If you do it, you're going to have to hold it upside down and shake it vigorously to get that screw, you know, hope that screw comes out of there. So let's put this aside like this. Do not remove the cables or anything. But look at my declumper. It's literally sitting on the side. Here's one of them. Look how it's bent out of shape. Okay, so I removed the original plastic declumper kit, so we're not going to use these. So we're simply going to grab this, put it in the same way as the other one, in the same spot. But before doing that, kind of brush this area a little bit. And then grab our new declumper, this left side, which is like rounded, other side is square. The left side has to come to the left. You match the holes, place the declumper like so. Just lift this up so you guys can see it. And then grab our chute. While we're doing that, let's just brush this chute. Be very gentle brushing this. You don't want to mess those little electrostatic tips down there. And then these little cables, you simply push it in there to an available spot, because there's an electric motor down there, nothing, no moving parts, nothing. So you can just simply put it down there and place it on top of the declumper. Patiently screw it one at a time. A little bit on the left, a little bit on the right. Just a hand tight, finger tight. Do not go crazy. Kind of wiggle it. Everything is great. Now, next what we're going to do is going to replace this cover on top of the chute. Here's our chute. And next, we're going to grab our Phillips screwdriver, tiny little one. We're going to secure the cover to the main body. Now, after this, what we're going to do is we're going to put portafilter holder in its place. Remember, everything is finger tight. Do not use electrical tools. Do not use harsh equipment like an impact driver or something crazy. Let's put this in, and then let's lift her up. Next, we're going to put these two little screws into these little holes. Take your time, be patient. Now we're going to place this. Remember, the hole has to face you. And before you put everything together, kind of give it a good nice wipe with a damp microfiber cloth or something. And then place this on top of it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put the dial in. Again, let's give it a little wipe. I want you guys to be really careful when you place this. Gently. Just feel it as you tighten it. It has to come on fairly easy. Do not rush this, because you may strip that screw where this attaches. And we're not going to super tighten it. Obviously, we don't want to lock the burrs since we're going to find the 0 point. So it's kind of a loose like this. Next, what I want to do is I want to put the 0 indicator. And now I'm going to use this Allen tool. Simply put the screw on the Allen's long end and kind of loosely tighten it. So as you see, 0 indicator is moving freely, so we can actually find the 0 point and then tighten it. All right, it's plugged in. I'm gonna make sure it's loose one more time. Here she is running. Now I'm gonna start to tighten slowly. Listen as you tighten, because when it starts chirping, that's your 0 point. You do not want to lock the burrs. Almost there. See, I can feel it. That's right where my 0 point is. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right here. Maybe back up slightly. Yeah. That's my 0 point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this indicator to 0, hold it there, grab my Allen key, and tighten it. That's my new 0 point, you guys. Right there is my new 0 point. So I'm going to start one more time. So clearly I'm not going to grind anything at 0. So I'm going to bring it to 15 or something. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this with my towel, popcorn adapter. Simply, when you pour the grinds in there, they hit this part so they don't come out of the top of the grinder. You can put it any way you want. And then we'll put our bellows, and we put our lid. So this is it, you guys. That's how you replace the plastic declumpers with the stainless steel version. Upgrade your DF54, I guess, to the next level. Again, this is good for DF54 version 1. Also, you can use it to replace, same method, newer DF54s. Comes already with that metal declumper if your metal declumper is damaged or way out of shape. That cannot be put back into original form. So if you ordered a new one, you can use it. What I did is I ordered that metal declumper directly from Turin, and cost me altogether with shipping $16. So it's not too bad. If you search the internet, there's even a little coupon they have that saves you another 50-60 cents or something on the price. However, it's just a $10 piece, and with the shipping and everything comes to around 16 bucks. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to go ahead and drop a line under the video. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I got so much more content coming up. We will be happy to have you at Teo Steak community. Thanks for watching Teo Steak, and have a delicious day.